This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock absorbers replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the shock absorber lower mounting nut and bolt. Loosen the shock absorber upper mounting nut. Remove and discard the shock absorber lower and upper mounting nuts. Noting the direction in which the lower mounting bolt is pointing, slide out the bolt, then remove the rear shock absorber from under the vehicle. Slightly compress the shock absorber, then install the shock absorber upper end onto the upper stud. Allow the shock to slowly expand while positioning the lower end into the bracket. Then install the new lower bolt in the correct direction. Screw on the new lower and upper nuts. Tighten the new shock lower mounting nut and bolt to the specified torque setting. Tighten the new shock upper mounting nut to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear shock absorber.